Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can factory reset your JBL Tune 510 Bluetooth wireless headphones. First thing we're going to do is on the phone, I'm in my Bluetooth settings, I'm actually going to hit the gear icon next to these headphones and I'm going to go to unpair. Like so. Now we're going to go over to this here and I'm going to hold down the power button for a couple of seconds until it turns itself off. Like so. Now when I turn it back on, I'm not just going to hold it down for a couple of seconds, I'm going to hold it down for about 7 or 8 seconds until it turns on and goes into pairing mode. So I'm holding down the power button now, still holding it, it's turned itself on, wait for the flashing blue light, there we go, it's now in pairing mode. So I'm going to let go of that. I'm now going to hold down all of these buttons here, so volume up, down and the middle function button as well. So I'm going to use 3 fingers on here and I'm going to hold them all down until this light turns to like a whitish pinkish light here. So holding them all 3 down now, keep holding them. You have to be in pairing mode and there you go, can you see now it's lit up like so. Now we're going to turn the headphones off by holding down this for 2 seconds. And now hopefully they should be reset, and when we turn them back on again, put them into pairing mode, I'm going to connect them up to my phone, and if you've got any issues, hopefully you might find that those issues have now gone. So I'm going to hold this power button down again for about 6 or 7 seconds. Keep holding. There we go, flashing blue light in pairing mode. We're going to come down to the phone here and I'm going to go down to scan here. There we go, it's come up here, JBL. Tap that. Go to pair. And now you can see it's paired. So let me just play some music. There we go. So hopefully by doing that you will solve any problems that you're having with your JBL wireless headphones. Thanks for watching.